Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. I'm going to be changing the oil today in a Nissan 2.5 engine. First of all, we're going to have to take off the passenger side wheel to reach the compartment to get to the oil filter. Now that we got the wheel off, we will be taking this compartment off right here. There, and there, and that will let us access the oil filter. Okay, this is the panel you have to take off to get to the oil filter. Just take it off right there, and here's your oil filter. And I went ahead and started draining the oil before I took that pan off. I forgot to video it, but your oil plug is straight across up underneath from your oil filter, straight across, easy to find. It is a 14 millimeter. Okay, now that I'm to the oil filter, get your oil filter wrench. They shouldn't be on there tight. It should be just hand tight. I usually use my hand. There we go. Let it drain. Let's put that piece of cardboard on there so it wouldn't get on that frame. We'll pull the oil filter off. There we go, oil filter is off. All right, now I'm going to put the oil filter, the new one, on. Get a little bit of oil, put it around the filter. And then we will just thread it on. Just like so. Snug it up. All right, to put the panel back on to cover the oil filter, I always go ahead and just put one to hold it in place for me. And then these pins, they come apart, or you can leave it together. I usually take it apart and just slide it into place, and then get the center part and push it in, and that locks it into place. And that you just put the rest of them in. Okay, here's your oil filter cap. I'm going to take it off. Get our funnel, put it right there, and then we're going to fill it up. It takes 4 and 7/8, 4 quarts, 7/8 ounces of 0 W20. Put the oil cap back on somehow. All right, we got the oil filter on, tighten. We got the drain plug on, tighten. We got the oil in. We got the oil cap on. And that'll be it. Oh yeah. Got the wheel back on. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.